This is going to be a quick shout out for a super useful and the most underappreciated framework from our handbook. If you look at page 10, you'll find it there. We lay out something that is called levels of analysis. Now, it's pointy-headed and it's super useful. Let me explain its use through an analogy. I remember being in business school. We would read a case study about some industry that I knew zero about, say polycarbonate precursors industry. Like, what the heck? We would go to class where 90 really smart business students and one professor would discuss this industry for an hour. It was really confusing. In class, I found myself asking myself, what the heck is going on here? In that question, I was seeking a framework to help me understand. Why was she saying that? Why is that analysis useful? What's the professor getting to? I needed a way to classify things in manageable buckets and how they all interrelated so I could get a narrative about what to do. I must say that when I started out advising business families, I often had the same question hit me during family meetings. Two people would be kind of in an argument, and all I could think of is, what the heck is going on here? What's driving this? So now, when confused, I fall back to a simple framework called levels of analysis. While it's used in many disciplines from political science to biology, in the book, we talk about three levels: the individual, relationships, and the system. If you slow down during these times of confusion and think through these three lenses, guarantee you'll be able to get a narrative through line about the dynamics that you're trying to figure out. So a quick example, say you're in a family board meeting and you observe, gosh, Charles and Lisa, they're kind of going at it right now in a big disagreement. They usually don't. And you ask yourself, what's going on here? Well, you slow it down and you think about first the individuals. What's going on in their life? Are they bringing something into the meeting different than before? What's their identity? And is it being challenged by something that's going on in this meeting? Write it down. Go to the relationships and say to yourself, what binds them together? And then what separates them? Are there some real unprocessed hurts that we have to that's really being played out here? Third, think about the system and its influences on their behavior. Are there structures that cause this conflict? Do their interests, are they misaligned and they need to be figured out? So when you find yourself in a, to you or to me, a confusing family discussion, and you're like, what the heck's going on here? Just slow it down. I suggest you use these levels of analysis to help you untangle things. I hope it helps.